The absence of war does not necessarily mean that the society is in a state of peace. There's a spectrum of violence that many societies go through, whether it's urban violence in major slum areas, whether it's inter-ethnic violence, whether it's all-out war. We see a broad spectrum. So when we're talking about the area of transitional justice, what we're talking about is setting the legal precursors and the cultural precursors for stability that would lead to conflict mitigation and amelioration. We have to deal with any number of physical issues, psychological issues, and emotional issues. Many people in transitioning societies have been physically abused and traumatized. Those issues have to be addressed. Regarding trauma, we have to deal with issues such as post-traumatic stress disorder and other psychological outcomes if you're going to help move through periods and create a justice system that works for people. And then, of course, there's the legal aspects of justice, whether we're talking about formal justice systems, informal justice systems, indigenous systems. Something has to be established that helps people bring their conflict, bring their issues to a fair and impartial fact finder to deal with the kinds of long-term justice that has to occur in order for the society to move through. Now, clearly the International Criminal Court and other international organs play a role in certain societies. In some cases, national security courts, national war crimes chambers also play a part, but so do mediation mechanisms, so do confrontation mechanisms, the truth and reconciliation mechanisms, so do memorializations and education programs. All these are part of transitional justice systems that can be brought to bear to help bring a more stable and helpful environment for people that are dealing with violence.